New this morning, 10 more Occupy Tulsa protesters are arrested overnight in a downtown park.
We are brutality.
Tulsa police arrived at Centennial Park at 6th and Boston at 11 o'clock to enforce the city's curfew. They say the demonstrators have been reminded that after the curfew, they must remain on the sidewalks and not on the grassy area of the park to continue their protest. Authorities say 10 people refused to move from the restricted area and were arrested and carried away without incident. Tulsa police also say the department now has a camera on site.
Just as much as they have cameras to document what we do and what they do, I mean, we're trying to protect ourselves to make sure that we show that everything we did was within guidelines, within policy, and we did not violate anybody's civil rights.
Police say officers will continue to arrive at the park every night to enforce the curfew and that violators will continue to be arrested. Well, beyond the curfew issue is the fact that the protesters do not have a permit to gather in the park, and it'll be at least another week before city councilors decide on a request by the group to waive that requirement. Now, waiving the rules would allow them to camp out in city parks overnight beyond the 11 o'clock curfew, but the request hit a snag because the people who filed the petition didn't show up, so the council took no action. Still, demonstrators were happy councilors took time to listen.
We are really happy with the city council. We're happy with everything that was said tonight because what it brought was clarification to all the red tape that we've had to go through just to get where we need to be.
The protesters say they'll try again next week on that waiver request.